How to disable liquid glass on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Display and Text Size. Here, scroll down and go to the Reduce Transparency feature. As you can see, it is currently turned off. Now, turn on the Reduce Transparency feature as shown. This feature improves contrast by reducing transparency and blurs on some backgrounds to increase legibility. Following these steps, you can easily disable liquid glass on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.